Let's talk about Imperia Italian 12-hole ravioli mold tray and rolling pin. The quickest and easiest way of producing homemade ravioli. 12-hole ravioli tray from Imperia. Suitable for use with freshly made pasta sheets. Set includes the tray, rolling pin and full instructions. Easy to use and gives great results. For 12 ravioli. With a rolling pin. Material, stainless steel wood. I am a bit disappointed with this. It makes perfectly shapes ravioli, yes, but the rolling pin does more harm than good and doesn't particularly roll well, which is annoying also when you are trying to cut them in shape with the rolling pin. Be careful, the whole tray might tip over when applying pressure to the edge, as the feet of the ravioli are not perfectly beneath the edges and you need another pair of hands to hold it down. All in all, nice shapes and but difficult to cut them out with a pattern and provided rolling pin. Will not buy another one, but I guess I will reuse this one, maybe using a small wooden wheel to cut the ravioli out. It's a sturdy, well-made, easy to clean and store piece of equipment. Being absolutely idiot-proof, the raviolis are looking stunning even if you use the tray and pin for the first time. I'll buy other models too.